Well, I was putting the air filter in and getting this ready for my next trip. It's probably a good thing I did because this rack was on its last legs. So this is one that I built. It's not any stronger than the Outback Motor Tech one that I had on here, which doesn't fit because of the mounting location for the Happy Trails stuff. So I don't have a luggage rack right now. I had plans and drawings to build a new one, so I'm gonna have to do that or figure out how to fix this real quick before my trip. So what I'm gonna do is just jam this back together with this little chunk of rod in there, and that'll keep it from bending and snapping there again. And all it did is it found the next weakest part, so it was all this weight back here was trying to bend this way. When the Rotopax bent down, it tried to bend up between those two mounting points, and it found the weakest point. It didn't break here because I've got a gusset in there. It broke here, so I'll put that in. I won't put a gusset on the outside because that'll be stronger than this would be anyway. The next thing it'll do is it'll break right in front of it, but I mean, this thing lasted, oh geez, it lasted at least 8,000 miles, 9,000, I think, something like that. So if it'll last another 3, it'll get me through the planned rides I have this year. Then I can build a better one. So what I'm thinking for my next one, the better one, it'll use that front mount. This rear one, it'll come out and up, and it's just going to be solid bar with threaded holes in it that I can bolt different stuff to. So if I've got a rack like that, I want to bolt it on, it'll just bolt onto the rail over here and over here, Rotopax, or fuel cell over top of it. And if it's pushing down instead of levering on it, it'll probably last a lot longer. So if I have fuel cell over the passenger seat, I won't have to worry about this kind of breakage. Or, you know, if I want to put an extension back here and put a sleeping bag on it, it's not going to be, you know, 20 pounds trying to snap stuff on the back. So that'll work a lot better. You know, if you look at my Outback Motor Tech videos, I had the same issue with that rack, and I put braces from the back down. You know, I could probably put braces off of this down to here, but for now, because I've got a ton of stuff to do and a day and a half left to do it, just gonna weld it back up like this. Fixed, painted, reinstalled.